The Apostle Paul, at one point in the book of Ephesians, as he's making sense of this to these Christians, as he writes to them in Ephesus, he uses the image of the temple that exists in his day. Herod's temple is this huge compound. And the courtyard is gigantic, and it has all these dividers in the courtyard. And if you were a Gentile follower of God, you could not get past this wall. Only Jewish descendants of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob could get past that wall into this wall. But if you were a female, you couldn't get past this wall. Only the males could get past that wall. But then the priests could only get past this wall. And you see again how it gets funneled down again, and people still have this distance from God. So then Paul writes to the Ephesians, trying to explain what has happened in Jesus. In Ephesians chapter 2, he says this, and again, listen to all this temple and tabernacle imagery. So then you are no longer strangers and aliens. You aren't separated anymore, but you are fellow citizens with the saints and members of the same courtyard, members of the same household of God, built on the foundation of the apostles and prophets. It's not just silver and brass sockets anymore. It's the foundation of the apostles and the prophets, Christ Jesus himself being the cornerstone, in whom the whole structure, us, being joined together, grows into a holy temple in the Lord. In him you also are being built together into a dwelling place for God by the Spirit. We are now the most holy place. Isn't that incredible? The presence of God. If you are a child of God, God literally is within you. And he is within us as we are being built together as this living temple